The Wenger Companies have shown steady, managed growth since their beginning 45 years ago, when one man bought a backhoe and determined he would make a career of fixing people's underground drainage and excavating problems. From their 1960s origin in the excavating and underground utility business, Wenger Companies have expanded into asphalt manufacturing and paving at North Star Asphalt and gravel mining at Maslin Materials. Over 200 employees keep the wheels turning, with peak employment numbers tied to the size of current projects. In the field, 80 of those employees average more than 20 years' experience, helping to complete projects with time-tested solutions. The Wenger Companies' home bases are centered in Wayne and Stark County, Ohio, which by geographic location enables them to couple both an agricultural work ethic with metropolitan-related excavating projects. The Wenger Companies are building America, one brick, one hydrant, one street at a time, constructing allotment streets and infrastructure that provides people affordable housing, smooth streets that take them to work or play, fresh, safe drinking water always ready at the tap, and hydrants for fire protection. The companies understand the importance in developed society of filtering rainwater as it leaves the streets and controlling wastewater that is piped to treatment facilities. Wenger Companies construct road improvements that make traveling safer, faster, and more efficient than before. The companies install water quality structures that remove roadway oils and pollutants prior to the rainwater entering our streams. The Wenger Companies are community-based and built on family relationships. An early emphasis on satisfying local community friends and business customers continues to the present, meaning the projects must be completed on time and pass the test of time. Many underground water and waste systems are expected to last 100 years or more. This expectation is built into the company's performance from the ground floor. The Wenger Companies offer diversified services to simplify the planning and delivery of completed excavating and site work projects. From in-house civil engineering to on-site planning and efficient utilization of equipment and resources, the Wenger Companies work with customers to deliver the most cost-effective and high-quality product. For many customers, the combination of site work development, water, sewer, and sanitary underground service installation, aggregate supply, and asphalt paving offer a simplified alternative to working with 3 or 4 different companies. A high-quality, finished project always begins with careful planning by a committed team. In the office, the design, engineering, and testing personnel have over 200 staff years of experience in excavating and asphalt pavement design. North Star's design and testing laboratory is ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, compliant, making certain they produce asphalt to meet strict specifications such as those required by the FAA at the Akron-Canton Airport. North Star employees train for Department of Transportation accreditation to assure field quality control with best paving practices. North Star uses Maslin Materials aggregate in many of their mixed designs, as Maslin is an ODOT pre-qualified gravel supplier. In the excavating, gravel mining, and asphalt paving industries, heavy equipment endures rough wear and tear on a daily basis. The companies maintain over 500 pieces of equipment in their modern maintenance facility. Company-owned lowboy transports make sure that equipment moves are taking place 24 hours a day in peak work times. Having the right piece of equipment on the right job is one component of smooth operations. Field service trucks and a professionally staffed 7-bay service facility offer 185 staff years of experience in equipment repair and eliminate costly downtime on the job. The Wenger Companies have a history of building relationships with employees rooted in a history of hiring workers from local families. The Wenger Companies strive to build mutually beneficial relationships with their employees. Company management understands that the attitude of the employee toward the customer begins with the employer-employee relationship. Responding to changes in underground utility needs has been a strong driver for the Wenger Companies. State-of-the-industry storm drainage systems like the one installed at the Akron-Canton Airport have expanded Wenger Companies' experience base, as has the FAA-approved paving North Star does for the airport. Larger hydraulic excavators mean we can work deeper underground, and pipe-bursting systems let us repair deteriorating systems without disrupting the surface. Every year, the Wenger Companies find solutions to new problems, improving the quality of life for all Americans, one pipe, one hydrant, one manhole at a time.